In front of me is Hammer Blade 5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing and tap on the Footprint service or download any service and click on it here. Either way, all you need to do now is tap on this switcher at the top if it's not already on, and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!